everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mansi and you're watching Cappy Bears. So this is the second long form video that I'm making on this channel, and I'm really nervous because the first video was kind of an emotional ride for me. But finally, after 5 months, I'm slowly getting back on track and I'm finally moved with Sharad, my husband, in Gurgaon. And this is a 3 BHK apartment that we have rented. I think we rented this apartment back in September. From then I've never really gotten any time to set the place because of marriage and then because of dad's thing. Also in December our owner gave us a shock that he wants to sell the apartment. So हम काफ़ी ज़्यादा confused थे कि हमें फर्नीचर बाय करना चाहिए या फिर उसको रेंट करना चाहिए, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट सर्टेन हाउ मेनी मंथ्स वी आर गोना स्टे हियर. तो उसकी वजह से वी थॉट कि रेंटल इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन राइट नाउ. So without further ado, I will take you to the furniture tour. So we had couple of options from where to rent, and I found Furlenco had the best designs and a reasonable rate as well from all the other rental websites or applications. We ordered a total of 5 furniture items: a 3-seater leatherette sofa, a 2-seater leatherette recliner, a coffee or a center table, a 4-seater dining table and a queen size cot for our guest bedroom. Yeah, I know we went a little crazy, but I really wanted to set up a cozy home with my husband, and I think these things are very necessary. The process to order from Furlenco is also super easy. You do not have to go onto the website, but you have to need to download the app. Then वहाँ से it's very easy. Account setup कर लो आप अपना number डाल के, and you will get an OTP. You will get the payment details and your next cycle details in the app itself. So it's pretty easy. There is no KYC as such needed. Also, after you place the order, you have to select a date when you want the things to get delivered. So keep a buffer of 5 days. So we placed the order on 9th of the month and we received it on 14th of the month. So you can just imagine in Gurgaon, if it's taking 5 days, probably in Bangalore it would take 4 days or maybe 3 days. I really wanted a recliner from so long and मुझे 1-seater ही लेना था, but then मुझ में और शरद में इतनी लड़ाइयाँ होती कि कौन बैठेगा इस पे, इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा खर्च करके 2-seater मंगवाया. Because recliner was a non-negotiable thing for me. अगर आप रेंट कर रहे हो तो प्लीज़ ऐड 1 recliner to your cart. You will get it. Why I'm saying that? It is damn good. We were very lucky कि जो recliner and जो 3-seater sofa था, that was all brand new and the other things were used. भैया तो बोल रहे थे कि जो टेबल है वो भी न्यू है, बट उसमें थोड़े बहुत स्क्रैचेस लगे थे, तो आई फाउंड आउट कि वो नया नहीं है, वो पुराना यूज़ किया हुआ है. But still, even after using, everything that we received was in pretty good shape. Here is the final look of how my living and dining is looking right now. I have to still work a lot to make it more aesthetic, but I'm really happy with the way the furniture turned out to be. This is the look of my guest bedroom. The mattress is my old mattress from Bangalore and थोड़ा छोटा भी है, but चलता है क्योंकि guest bedroom है तो it's fine. मुझे 2-3 साल पहले भी फर्नीचर रेंट करना था, एंड उस टाइम पे Furlenco के साथ ये प्रॉब्लम थी कि जितने भी मंथ का आप टेन्योर बुक करते हो, सपोज अगर आपको 6 मंथ्स के लिए रेंट आउट करना है फर्नीचर, तो आपको वो 6 मंथ्स का फुल पेमेंट करना पड़ेगा, विच इज़ लाइक things are not even certain. That's why I think people rent furnitures or probably they will prefer to buy it. तो उस टाइम पे प्रॉब्लम आता था क्योंकि अगर मुझे 1 साल के लिए करना है तो द कॉस्ट विल गो टू 20,000 और 25,000 एंड आई एम नॉट इवन श्योर कि 12 मंथ के लिए मैं इस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी में रहने वाली हूँ. बट दे हैव नाउ चेंज देयर पॉलिसीज एंड इट्स ओनली अ 3-month लॉक इन पीरियड वेयर 3 months के लिए you won't be able to return their products, and 3 महीने के बाद if you feel like you can renew it each and every month. And if you don't feel like, or even if you have, like I have purchased 5 different pieces, so if I want to return something, I can probably return 1 या 2 item उसमें से, and 3 महीने के बाद I can do that. Furniture items that we have taken on rent costed us around 4,300 rupees for 1 month. So the first initial month, because discount लगा के आपको थोड़ा सा कम में मिलेगा. From the next month we will have a total of 5,000 rupees per month for our furniture, which I think is a little too much for us, but then again we don't know how many months are we gonna stay in this apartment, and it's a fair deal अगर आप uncertain हो on your plans and still you get to live the way you want. I think it's a pretty steal deal. Considering everything, the cost effectiveness, the time of delivery, in 5 days they delivered everything, and literally they took only 30 minutes to assemble everything. Everything was very clean. Out of 5 furnitures I've gotten 2 as brand new and the rest of them were used, but the used ones were also like pretty good in shape, and I would really recommend Furlenco to everybody out there who is looking to rent some furniture. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching till here. If you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up and comment down if you have any other questions or you want to share some thoughts on this. See you soon guys. Thank you so much. Much love. Bye.